What are the key ingredients in Jamaican jerk? Hey guys, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel, my YouTube channel's fun and informative Q&A series. Alright, today is actually the second question I'm answering. I answered one earlier, but I'm going to call this double for your trouble because I had internet issues earlier, and so I had to post the question as a video rather than a live stream. And so for you, my viewers, I'm going to give you two questions, answer two questions today. And this one, what are the key ingredients in Jamaican jerk? Okay, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos, and tap the bell notification. All right, so the question came in from Dan from St. Charles, Illinois, USA. And this is the question Dan had. Dan said, I've seen so many recipes from non-Jamaicans who say that their recipes are authentic. It gets very confusing. Can someone tell me how to make authentic Jamaican marinade and sauce and barbecue sauce? Also, is there cinnamon and nutmeg really in the seasoning? Alright, so that's a question from Dan. Alright, so it's a two-part question. I'm going to answer this cinnamon and nutmeg first. The cinnamon and nutmeg key ingredients in Jamaican jerk, the answer is no. No, Dan. Alright. I am not the greatest cook, but I'm Jamaican, and I have friends and family who are heavy in the cooking business in Jamaica here and know their stuff. All right, so I actually reached out to them and to answer this question for you. And by the way, for those of you who are watching, the link to this question is in the description below. The full response is in the description below. Make sure you check the description to get my extensive response. This is just a snippet. All right. So yes, there's no cinnamon and nutmeg are not key ingredients in Jamaican jerk. But to the question of what are the key ingredients? The key ingredients, Dan, from based on my resource, my sources, is Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento, which is called, I think you call it allspice in your country. So it's Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento, and escallion and thyme. Those are the three from my research, and I've checked even some of the big popular Jamaican jerk companies, seasonings, whatever. And from my research, these are the three things they all have in common when it comes to Jamaican jerk seasoning or marinade: is Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento, which is allspice, and escallion and thyme. Those, well, it's really four, but it's three: pimento, Scotch bonnet pepper, escallion and thyme, right? Those are the key ingredients. People will put other stuff to add additional spice, if you will, but that's the essence of it. I've included recipes for marinade, Jamaican jerk marinade. I have a recipe for Jamaican jerk sauce, and there's a recipe for Jamaican jerk seasoning. I have all three as well in the link below. Make sure you check it out to get additional information. All right, so that's your answer there, Dan. I hope it helps. Any questions, you can always go put it in the comments below. If you have any particular comment, you who are watching, please share it in the comment below. And if you like this response, if you appreciate it, thumbs up. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all my videos, including this special Q&A series. Double for your trouble, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.